Today we will see how to find HCF of 16 and 24 by common division method or ladder method. Let us apply the below steps and solve the problem. Step 1. Start dividing 16 and 24 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both the integers 16 and 24 exactly, we get 8 and 12. Again, start dividing 8 and 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both the integers 8 and 12 exactly, we get 4 and 6. Again, start dividing 4 and 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both the integers 4 and 6 exactly, we get 2 and 3. Observe here, as per step 2, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide both 2 and 3 simultaneously. Got it? Step 3. Multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2 and 2. Therefore, HCF of 16 and 24 equals product of the common prime divisors. In this case, it is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 8. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tricky questions on HCF.